ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Hadin magalami ka jing Prasad na ginong hikay jong ka school ba nihu kibdan po ka Shatri jong ka North Eastern Hills University Teachers Association halor ka jing Thungkam contract yu Rohit Prasad kumu technical advisor ha ka Sautrik Unai Wing arajar arpulai u Vice Chancellor jong ka school ba North Eastern Hills University u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ula penshai ba ka jing Thungkam yu Rohit Prasad kamde satya kaba ula shule hi marwe lani kaba ushu thong Beaiñ Henry kade karai kabla Shym da ka Executive Council jong ka school ba nihu ha ka jing kran bikilar pathai khubor u Vice Chancellor ha Shillong Press Club u Professor PS Shukla ula angru ba ulong bakloy benyakren ba kinong yalam jong ka North Eastern Hills University Teachers Association khnang ban pin kutno yakidi kinrum kanram hapo kani ka school ba.
All of you are well aware the situation which is already going on in the Nepal campus. And this is my second press conference. I think second press conference in this heart. With the help of the media, would like to say that after joining as a Vice Chancellor, North Eastern Hill University, Shillong, Meghalaya, I am continuously doing the work to retain and regain the status of the Nehru. In 2022-23, implemented the new education policy for the PG students. In between, we have also even discussed to implement the new education policy for the UG in the next upcoming academic sessions. And we already taken all the kinds of the even approval from the different bodies, and I have also the even report. If media want to see, you can see. After the implementation of the new education policy, some organizations, I'm not going to read the name of any organization, even started the agitation against the implementation of the new education policy. In the last press conference, I clearly mentioned that the new education policy is in favor of our young generation, and more than 90% universities of the country implemented the new education policy. Why we? Another thing is, even the organization also raised the question if the new education policies are not in favor of our generation, and all of you know what is already happened in the past. So I don't even like to discuss in detail about the past, but after the implementation of the new education policy, even the organization commonly known as the NOTA, I can say the joint organization of the JC, again even make a group and started shouting against the Vice Chancellor. The Vice Chancellor already have appointed Mr. Rohit Prasad in very wrong manner without any advertisement and other things. I would like to show that. As of now, this is the act of the university. I am just going to read the lines of the act. I am not going to mention anything other than the act. In the act, page number 9, the Vice Chancellor. The first point, the Vice Chancellor shall be appointed by the visitor in such manner as may be prescribed by the statutes. Already done. Second point, the Vice Chancellor shall be the principal, executive and academic officer of the university and shall exercise general supervision and control over the affairs of the university and give effect to the decision of all the authorities of the university. And third, that is very important point, the Vice Chancellor may, if he is of opinion that immediate action is necessary on any matter, exercise any powers conferred on any authority of the university by or under this act, and shall report to such study the action taken by him on such matter. Under this, after the implementation of the new education policy, some person is required to look the new initiatives. But without new initiative, there is no meaning of the new education policy. He started the recruiting of the new faculty members. In between, under the power of the Vice Chancellor, put the agenda in the Executive Council. This is the agenda. And taken the approval from the Executive Council. And Executive Council clearly given the approval. The committee apprised the Council that senior consultant technical officer with IT background, clearly mentioned here, IT background is required in the office of the Vice Chancellor and may be engaged on contractual basis with the payment of monthly remuneration below or less than 1 lakh rupees. I have taken the approval from the Executive Council. After that, even discussed by some friend, Mr. Rohit Prasad, before joining the Northeastern Hill University, he was the technical advisor of Director IIT Roorkee. I think all of you are well aware about the position of the Director of the Roorkee, and you can also assume that the work has been already done by the Rohit Prasad with their director. That's why on the contractual basis, Vice Chancellor appointed Rohit as a technical advisor, and the power of appointment of the technical advisor is also given. This is appointing authority. Appointing authority, the appointing authority in respect of various posts in the university shall be as under. The Executive Council, permanent appointment all group of A positions. Vice Chancellor, permanent appointment to all group positions, group B posts, and temporary appointment to all A group and B group posts. Under this rule, taken a decision to appoint the Rohit Prasad as a consultant of the university. My dear friends, Rohit is not belong to my area, not belong to my caste, even not belong to my subject. I am a professor, agriculture professor. I also have a student. But why I selected Mr. Rohit Prasad? He already had the knowledge of the IIT and also served as a consultant with the director of the IIT. That's why contractual appointment given to Mr. Rohit Prasad. And after the joining, Mr. Rohit Prasad already did and taken the several initiatives. I can give you some proofs. This is the proof. One proof, might be all of you are well aware, conduction of the Rozgar Mela first time in the campus of the Nehu with the help of the students. Second thing is he also created the 5 groups. One group is students are working the technical groups, 72 plus students member of this group. Media group. Nehu also made the media group. How to will connect the media, how to will encourage our student जो है towards the media. 22 plus entrepreneurship group, 29, and also the eco-friendly group about the nature, environmental condition and others. More than जो है 24, and then with the help of the career and counseling cell placement group जो है faculty, students and staffs, and total 240 students of the NEHU are working in the group of the One more thing I would like to mention here. After the constitution of the different group, the technical group already made it two unique type of. One, app for the NEHU, called the NEHU app. And after 10 to 15 days, all of you will be in position to download the NEHU app. And second thing, this group developed a online system for the colleges of the NEHU. We have more than 83 affiliated colleges, and our students are facing the problem. Different kind of problems for their mark sheet, some even their marks and other examinations problem. With this portal, NEHU will be in position to solve their problem online. And both the things, app and portal, are output of this group. And who is the mentor? Mr. Rohit Prasad. This is a contribution. And third thing, don't like to mention today, but after a month, I can say that NEHU will be in position to provide a 5G facility to our students. This is one of the unique things among the central universities of the country. Other something just like our teachers also, they were agitated about the recruitment of the non-faculty members. We already did and approved within or before the 10th of the November, going to publish in the paper. Advertisement already out. Just like my PRO update told, the advertisement is already out. Non-teaching staff, 155. 150 plus positions. So earlier they will appointed the teacher's position, secondly going to appoint the non-teaching position. So step by step, and in between, I hope till the December or month of the January, I will be in position to also recruit the finance officer, university engineer, as well as the registrar of the university. But as an academician, as I experience and learn from the NEHU are also facing the problems of the teachers. That's why first step taken to recruit the teaching faculties, our students directly will be benefited with this recruitment. So one thing, with the help of the press and media, would like to say that why our teacher is against the conduction of the academic council meeting. If we are not able to conduct a meeting, definitely in the coming semester or conduction of the examination, our students will be the sufferer. That's why I am not in favor of any organization who is opposing the academic council. As you already know, which is already head on the 31st of the October. Again, I'm always ready to discuss anything. I don't have any kind of wish to discuss anyone. But if they are going to raise or fix any kind of a compulsion, if you are not going to do this, I'm not going to discuss with you. This should not be. Conversation should be the continue between the administrator and any organizations. Just like another thing would like to mention, you just see the language they are mentioned and written by the president of the Teachers Association. This should be the language. Hi, the NOTA EC is not keen to meet the BC anymore on this issue. This is the main of the NOTA. This should not. Maybe there are some differences between the organization and this. Come forward, sit together and discuss the matter on the basis of the Act, Statute and regulations. Yes, I also agree. If I am even not in position to take the suggestion, definitely ready to take the help from the teachers and also the non-teaching staffs. But first come forward, discuss on the matter and take or help to take an amicable decision in the favor of our young generation. This is my objective, and continuously every day all of you are witnessing, you can say, expending more than 10 hours in my office to retain and regain the past glory of Ngam. That's it.